So in this video we are going to solve a problem number 162, find a peak element. So in this problem we on a LeetCode we are it is a, by the way, a medium problem that I have solved. So in this problem we have a given an array. For example, we have array like 1 2 3 and 1. So we have to return a element index which is at the peak. What is a peak? A peak is an element which is greater than its neighbor element, while in here like 3 is greater than 2, also greater than 1. Therefore there are two approaches to solve this problem. I don't know why, but LeetCode gave me 100% on both the approaches, which one was a brute force approach. In a brute force approach you can just check, take an first element and go from like 0th index or the first index to the last index and check if it's greater than the first element. If it's, then switch back and put the index in a container and at the end return that index. But in an optimal approach of time complexity O log of n, if we want to solve, we want to apply a binary search. But binary search will be applied where the array is sorted, but here in this case the array is not sorted. So what we want to do is, there are chances like in this solution we can say that the while goes from low, where while runs until low is less than high, not equal to high, and int mid is always low plus high by 2. We can also redefine it, and in there, if nums of mid plus 1 is greater than nums of mid, then we go towards the right side or else to the left. So for example, like we have this array like 1 2 3 and 1. So here we have low, here we have high. So low plus high, like 0 plus 3 by 2, which is equal to 1. So here we have mid. So mid index is 0 and 2 3. So mid index is 1. So what we have to check if our mid value is less than mid plus 1. What is a mid plus 1? So here what is a mid? Mid here is 2 and mid plus 1, which is 3. Is this true? Yes, it is true. Then low is equals to mid plus 1. So low will go to here, which is mid plus 1. Mid is 1 plus 1 is 2 here. Now here it is peak, where it will low, and high will remain as it is. In the next rotation, what we will do is 3 plus 2 plus 3 by 2, which will be equals to 2.5, right? But we will take 2 as it is integer. So mid is equals to 2. So mid is equals to 2. Mid comes here and check. This condition is gets false, then else condition gets activated where high is equals to mid minus 1. Here is mid minus 1, where high comes to 1, where high. So we have crossed the condition where low is less than high. So the loop is breaked, and always we will find the low on the peak element, therefore return the low. It will always work. Like if I just submit this problem, here it is.